Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today is number 16 on our 25 days of Christmas sketches, and I'm doing this Operation Right Home sketch number 138. And as I've said in previous videos, I have links down below to my friend Beatriz and Jeannie's YouTube pages and their social media links, and make sure you click over there, like and subscribe. I'm so excited. They're going to be joining me this month. I know Jenny's are already showing, so definitely go down and click on her videos. She's got some earrings that she made, some great Christmas ideas, Christmas gifts. Okay, so we're gonna hop on in, and I'm starting out with my matte paper, which is this I believe it's Nina Desert Storm. I cut to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and I'm gonna make this a side, or not side fold. Oh my god, my brain just went bloop. A horizontal, I guess it would be, card. So I cut this at 5 1/2 and then folded it on 4 1/4 to make my card, and then I just turned it so it would be horizontal instead of vertical. And I'm attaching my pattern paper, which I made 4 by 5 1/4. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead and attach that. And see, right there, I pulled it right back up. If I hadn't used the art glitter glue, I would not been able to do that. And that's the benefit of having that wet glue with your ATG tape. I'm telling you, it's the way to go. Now, to save on glitter paper, and because I didn't have a whole lot left, I'm just taking these 2 strips, and I'm going to attach them so that they're evenly spaced on each side of my focal image, which is the nutcrackers. I really enjoyed this one. I like the red and the white. It's really vibrant and just a little bit of sparkle. I like how this one turns out. So we're going to put glitter glue down the other side, and I'm doing the glitter glue with the tape on this one because glitter paper is rough, you know what I mean? And the tape sometimes doesn't want to adhere. So if you use wet glue, it kind of gets into the nooks and crannies, and it has better adhesion that way. And then on this one, we're going to go ahead and attach it straight to the card base. And you could pop it up using some foam tape if you wanted to. I like to leave it flat only because if I have to mail it out, I don't want to have to spend extra because of the added foam tape. All right, once we get it glued up, we're going to go ahead and put this down. And just like how I have the image up in the right hand corner for you guys, I always keep it on my computer screen whenever I'm creating my sketches. So that way I have a visual image to go along with me while I'm doing this. So I know exactly where I want to put it. If I want to change something up, I know exactly where I need to put my change. You know what I mean? Like, so I like having it up there so that way you guys have it at a glance. But I definitely suggest that you put it on your computer as well. And then I took this sticker sentiment and added foam tape to give it a little bit of height onto the cardstock. And on this one, I have some stickles. Now, it's been a minute since I used stickles, but I also have the Nuvo drops. And I wasn't sure if the stickles was going to work. I do know if you use stickles, it takes a long time for them to dry. So keep that in mind. Just like with the Nuvo drops, you want to wait at least 24 hours because it takes that long sometimes for them to dry. Now on this one, I used Nuvo drops as well. But on my third card I made, I did use the stickles. And it didn't really form a really pretty circle, but it did the trick. And it was glittery, so I liked it. So I just suggest, you can look into your stock of what you have. If you don't have any Nuvo drops, try the stickles and, see how it goes for you. All right. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And you can leave comments down below. I love reading the comments that you guys put, and I always try and make sure I answer you back. And make sure you please check out Jeannie's links. I know her videos have been going live since December 1st, so definitely go check her out, okay, you guys? Thank you so much, and have a great day.